Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello everyone, I'm Naren, today's host of an Academy Campus Ambassador program. So today our topic will be life at college of an ambassador because everybody wants to know how our ambassador work, how they live, how what's going on in their life. So today our guest will be Devashish from Region East. So welcome him, and without wasting any time, let's connect with him. So hello Devashish, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine.
Okay, so
What
Devashish,
about you, sir?
I'm very good. I'm very good. I'm fine. Full of beans. And okay, tell me about yourself, Devasis. Your college life, your interests, your hobbies, everything.
Hello, everyone. Hope all are doing well and are safe. Myself, Devashish Roy. Presently, I am settled in Ranchi and I am pursuing my bachelor degree in Bachelor of Technology from Birla Institute of Technology, Meshra, Ranchi. Uh, I am from Region East, as you all know, and I am doing my degree in chemical engineering. So I completed my 12th from Surendranath Centenary School, which is a CBSE based, and in K19 I completed it. And before 2 years, I completed my 10th in K17 and from the same school. I like to read books, especially the biopics of the entrepreneurs, as I learn a lot about their experiences and able to deal with the problems of my life by learning through them. As of my hobby, I spend my time on my devices playing some game or the other, and that's all, sir.
Okay, Devashish, like many peoples are curious about, the students are curious about this thing. Do you play PUBG?
Actually, I don't play PUBG
Okay.
because PUBG is banned in India. Apart
Okay.
from that, while I was preparing for my JEE exam, it was too distracting because if we indulge in these type of games, then our whole concentration is lost, and the
Yeah.
thing which we are aiming is almost gone. So. Before I was going to college, I was not indulged in playing these mobile games. But after I joined college for recreation only, I started with these.
Very nice, very nice. So, like Devashish, everybody wants to know after 12th how you decided what to do, how you chose these options. What came in your mind? Who is your idol before that after 12th? So, how you decided that?
Okay, so as of this question, I would say that I pre-decided it before 12th and started with my preparation in 11th only, as I had to attempt the JEE exam. I gave my first attempt in 12th, but I failed in that. After which I joined the Unacademy's program, the Plus subscription, which was started in same year in which I joined, and I was really benefited from it. And if you want to know my ideal, then I would say that my own young elder brother is my inspiration, and a few of my cousins are also there who inspired me for this. That's all.
Wow. Very good, very good. Like, okay, so very good, nice answer. So, I just want to know about more about you. So, how was the first day experience at your college? How was it?
Let me tell you, sir, the first day is yet to be experienced as everything is online.
Okay.
But if you want to know about my first day online class, it was as usual as a monotonous online one. And hopefully, I am going to experience my first day very soon. Hopefully, the college reopens and the
Yeah.
situations are restored soon.
Hmm. Very, very nice. Actually, the COVID situation is very bad. So I think I
Yeah.
can like I can feel that your emotions to going college and all. Okay. So
Yeah.
Devashish, move to the next question. So Devashish, like you haven't experienced your college life, so it is very difficult. So what do you think? Like we should digitalize our education, or we should opt to the regular classes?
Okay, so if we go with this question, so this question has two sides or two parts, in fact, I would say. The first part is that if we go by practicals, the practicals which are being performed during the offline classes, which help us to learn a lot. Theoretically, it is possible to learn something, but till you don't do practical, you are not completely mastered in that subject. So for 11th 12th students, or the medical students, or the engineering students like me, or all the other my fellows, it's really it would really be good if we are back to the offline one. But if you would say that for the children, like from 6 to 10, or from 1 to 5, they can be go with the digitalized one, as digitalized one is really for theoretical part, it's really a good one. Because if we compare the online class and offline class, in the side of theoretical one, then it's nothing else, nothing very much different from each other. They are the same. What we do in a class, like we teach, like we are being taught by a teacher, the teacher shares his screen in the online class also, and do the same thing. So we can go with that.
Obviously, I agree with your answer, because we like when we are in our school time, college time, we the offline regular classes are very good. It is entertaining. You can chill out. You can do whatever you want to do. But the online is kind of a
Yeah.
thing where you just have to sit and just listen to the teacher. That's all. There is no engagement. There is no connectivity. So this is the negative point. So I agree with your point. Okay,
It's a
let's
negative
yeah.
point. It's
Okay.
negative point, but if we go in this time, it's really helpful,
Yeah,
because
obviously.
in this COVID time, the online is the only thing which is supporting the education system.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the education system would have been collapsed in the last 1 year.
Obviously, yeah. Very, yeah.
Yeah.
So move to the next question. Okay. Any skills you have learned from this, like online program, like you're just doing the online thing? Any skills you're learning from this?
So as of now, I am learning the basic languages of computer language, like C++, Java, Python, and all like that. And these are the only ones which I am being learning, and online classes are there.
Okay. Okay, let's move to the
Yes.
next question. Okay, and everybody wants to know how Devashish became an Academy campus ambassador, how he joined. So, Devashish, tell me, like, from where did you get to know about an Academy campus ambassador program? How you connected to this program?
Okay. So as I told you that I was already involved with an academy since last 1.5 years. So when I got admitted to this college, I started using the social media platforms also. I was engaged in that. And one day, while grasping through my LinkedIn ID, I got to know about this program through an academy's post only. And without giving a first thought even, I just applied, because I know that an
Yeah.
academy is really a very good platform. So I
Yeah.
just applied for it, and thanks an academy for means giving me this opportunity to be the campus ambassador of this growing company. In fact, the grown company.
Okay, obviously. Yeah. So, move to the next question. How do you feel being associated with an academy as a campus ambassador? Apart from this, like, how you feel, you just tell me your answer. That
Yeah, it it's a really very much good feeling, because after becoming the ambassador of this, I am in the limelight of the college, in fact. Because being a first year student, it's really very hard task to make yourself open to others, talk to others, and in this online situation it's more difficult. So when I demonstrated myself to my seniors, they started recognizing me. And in fact, many of our seniors are ready for the subscriptions, uh, who are willing to take gate and cat. There are many. So it's really very much overwhelming for me to be the part of this program.
okay, nice, very good. So, our next question will be how an academy is beneficial for you. Like any skills you have learned, which is nowadays you are feeling, yeah, that this is very important. You have to just join this, or you are just learning new things from this program. Anything.
Yeah, actually, an academy let me open to others. It helped me, this program helped me to learn the business skills, the more important thing. And apart from these, there are skills like how to attract people for anything. These all skills I learned from an academy.
Okay. So actually, I missed the question earlier. So I just want to ask you like more about your college. Like the Birla is, very renowned college. How you just, how any can come to this college or just crack the exam? Any schedule just you want to tell about these students over there?
Okay, so first of all, I would like to clear one confusion of everyone that I am in Birla Institute of Technology, Meshra, Ranchi, and there is one more in Pilani, that's BITS. And for BITS, you have to go through BITS, they take their own exam, BITSAT, and
Okay.
Birla Institute of Technology, BIT Meshra, Ranchi, it takes from JEE mains, and the counseling process is same as the IITs and NITs one. In fact, this college is one of the GFTIs of India, the government funded ones.
Okay. So Devashish, what your like goal to be? What do you want to become? What do you want to achieve in your life?
Actually, after doing my this degree, I want to learn, I want to explore more in this subject. I more want to means I want to explore more in this field. By going abroad, I can inculcate in me more things, so that I can give away those things to my fellow countrymen who are going to be our after me, who are going to be the part of this subject, so that this subject is also very much well respected in India. Because if we go by this branch, it's not well rated branch. So I want to make this branch well known, like CSE
Okay.
and all.
Okay, computer programming, you just want to explore more. You just want to make it more, very popular title, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
I
So
want to do that.
Devashish, okay, let's just conclude this thing. Everybody are now well known about Devashish, who is Devashish and all. So Devashish,
Yeah.
just tell anything you just want to say this COVID period to the students. You just want to motivate them. Anything you just add.
Okay, so in this COVID period, it's really very hard time it's going on. So always believe in yourself. Try to utilize the time. And if you are studying student, so you can go with an academy. It has too many courses from which you can explore your inner potential, and you can do your tasks easily. So, and I would just say that believe in yourself and nothing else, because you can, if you have the potential, you can do it. It's all upon you. And finally, be in home, be safe. Thank you, and let's crack it.
Okay, yeah, very well said, Devashish. Thanks, Devashish, for joining the journey. Thanks, everyone, for watching this video. Stay safe, stay at home, and we are just coming with more interesting videos of our ambassador. So, thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe our channel. So, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Let's crack it.